This video tutorial I will explain how Netflix works behind the scenes using a block diagram. Here you can see the block diagram of Netflix. Here you can see user device, backend servers, content delivery network, recommendation engine, monitoring and feedback, and adaptive streaming. We will see how all these things work together. Here you can see the user device. User device is nothing but your streaming device. This is your phone, laptop, TV, or any device you use to watch Netflix. When you open the Netflix app or website, your device sends request to Netflix backend servers to get all the information needed to load your account. Here you can see backend servers. These are powerful computers managed by Netflix. They can handle login, store your watch history, preferences, and account details. They also process requests for content like movies or shows and decide how to deliver the content to you. Here you can see the recommendation engine. This is an AI based system that analyzes what you have watched before and it suggests new movies or shows that you might like. The backend server communicate with the recommendation engine to generate your personalized home screen. Here you can see Content Delivery Network or CDN. Netflix uses its own CDN called Open Connect. CDNs are special servers located in different parts of the world to store movies and shows. These servers are located closer to your home to ensure faster streaming. When you select a movie, Netflix identifies the nearest CDN server to deliver the video. Here you can see adaptive streaming. Adaptive streaming is a smart technology used by Netflix to adjust the video quality based on your internet speed. If your internet is fast, then Netflix streams high quality video like 4K video. If your internet is slows down, then Netflix automatically reduces the quality so that video does not buffer or stop. Here you can see monitoring and feedback. While you are watching video, Netflix continuously monitors your connection. If your internet connection improves or slows, the system updates the video quality in real time. Now we will see the flow. You open Netflix on your device. Your device communicates with Netflix backend servers. The backend server checks your account and generates a personalized screen using the recommendation engine. When you press play, the backend finds the closest CDN server to stream the video. The video streams using adaptive quality to match your internet speed. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, please click on like button and please subscribe to my channel. You can get Java source code and PowerPoint presentation for each and every video. That you can see it in the description section of the video. Click on show more and here you can see the description and here you can see the links to download source code and PowerPoint presentation.